Welcome to how to get money from Facebook or Instagram tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to get money by using Instream ads or overlay ads. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you're a creator in Facebook, you can use Instream ads. So it's about showing some ads in front or down of your video so that every person that sees the ads will get you money. So if you got a lot of video and a lot of views, you can get a lot more money by this way. And also you can do it using the reels. You can get overlay ads through the reels too. So the only problem with this way is that you need a bigger audience to get a good amount of money. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.